Ever wanted to turn your sketches into art but don't know how? Look no further. Eluna AI is the perfect solution. Eluna AI is a website that provides you with a wide range of tools and resources to generate images, turn sketches into art, turn 2D to 3D, and more. It's the perfect way for anyone looking to create stunning digital artwork quickly and efficiently. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can either click the link in the video description or search for Eluna AI in your web browser. First things first, sign up using your Google account. You will then be taken to the website's homepage. Here is some examples of what other users have created. To search for a picture, select Features from the menu on the left. This will also give you access to options like Popular, 𝗜𝗴𝗼, and the most recent images. On the left menu, you'll see different options for enhancing your images and videos. For images, you can use features like Text to Image, Reimage, Remove Background, and Upscale Image. For videos, there are Motion Blend and Infinite Zoom options. These tools offer you a variety of ways to improve your content. One of the things that I truly like about this website is its Reimagine option, where you can transform your sketch or make changes to your image. To begin, simply upload the image you want to modify. Next, choose the type of image you'd like to create. Then, write your prompt or provide any specific instructions. Once it's all set, click the Generate button. Here is how it looks. You can download this picture if you want to. Here are some additional images that I've created using the same process. Hey there! Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update from me. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.